So now we've covered all of the vertebrate groups, we're going to move on to our invertebrates. So there are so many different groups of invertebrates, but we're going to have a little chat about insects. So this here is one of our insects. So this is a giant spiny stick insect. What makes it an insect is it's got 6 legs. So if you have a little look here, you can count them with me. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's got 6 legs there. And it's also got these 2 things on the tops of its head. So does anybody have any idea what those ones might be called? You can shout it out for me at home. So if you said antenna, you are absolutely right. So it's got these antennae here, and it's using them to help it find its way around. So you'll see it taps them on the ground in front of it before it moves forward, and that's how they would find their way around. So if they were in a dark place, they can use those, and it helps them to get around. Now, on the ends of its legs, it's got some little hooks. It would live up on the branches in a tree. So it uses these little hooks to hang on to the tree so that it doesn't fall out. So it's quite clever. It's also got some little spikes on its legs here. Now, they're not hurting me, don't worry, but they are there to scare other animals away, so to scare the predators away. So those are the animals that might want to eat one of these. So it's got those there so it looks a little bit scary and a little bit spiky to try and make sure that nothing comes to eat it. So that's a little bit all about our insects, but maybe have a little look and see what other types of invertebrates you can find out about.